Morning everyone. Today I'll be preparing a recipe named breakfast trail. So this is how we start. After wiping it with the cloth, I put it on the gas stove. Now we'll put it on the low flame and thoroughly move it. Flax seeds are rich in omega 3 and are good for heart, as well as we'll put other nuts as well. The other nuts are also rich in various vitamins and minerals. So these seeds are now roasted. So these are sunflower seeds. I'll do the same process as we did with the flax seeds. So sunflower seeds are rich in B complex, and they are rich in B complex and various proteins and minerals. So I'm not roasting sunflower seeds. We are not using any fats to roast it. These are when the next thing that we'll use is the pumpkin seeds. The pumpkin seeds are rich in calcium, iron, and zinc. Now I'm roasting pumpkin seeds. It is a very easy process to make this breakfast trail. I've roasted the pumpkin seeds. Now we'll start roasting the almonds. Almonds are good. They're good in zinc, and they contain various minerals and vitamins. Roasted cashew nuts. Now we roasted almonds, and now we proceed to roast cashew nuts. Cashew nuts, like olive oil, they are highly rich in monosaturated fats. They're also good for our heart. Only if they are eaten roasted without adding salt. Roasting cashew nuts, now we will go to the muskmelon. Muskmelon seeds are rich in potassium, which helps in reducing blood pressure and keeping the heart healthy, whereas it is good for our eyes as well. Muskmelon seeds are now roasted. Now roasting watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are a rich source of proteins, vitamins, omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. Now roasted the watermelon seeds, and now we'll be roasting the cucumber seeds. This would be the last thing, and when all the seeds would cool down, we'll mix them up and add cranberry to them, which would change that taste to a little bit sweet. Seeds have cooled down, and I have added both cranberries and blueberries to it, and we'll mix them up. Mixing them up, and then we'll put them in the fill them up in the jars.